Hi everyone, Sandy here. I'm excited to share with you my January project for Country Craft Creations using Prima's Poetic Rose paper collection. This is a wedding album. The Prima Rose collection is not a traditional wedding paper collection, but the beautiful roses made me think of a wedding, and so that's why I chose to use it for this project. I've added some beautiful lace, an assortment of laces. This pink ribbon from Country Craft Creations is a very sheer light pink ribbon, seam binding ribbon from Country Craft Creations. Prima flowers also that I got in my design team kit, and I did use the Nouveau embellishment copper mousse on this chipboard piece that I had. On the spine I added more lace. Let me see if I can turn this up so you can see it. The lace, and then I created this lace piece here that is simply just tied in here at the top. I punched an eyelet hole in the center of the spine and tied all this pretty ribbon and different charms with hearts, pearls that I thought would be really pretty on that. So there's a lot of different ribbons and laces in here that you'll also see throughout the album. So it's held closed. Now this is a really big album. This is an actual 12 by 12 cover made out of chipboard. I do have a tutorial on this that I will be sharing. And the pages are made out of cardstock. The pages measure 11.5 by 11.5. So this just opens up. And this is so big that it's going to be a little hard to keep all of it in the camera range, but I will try to slide everything over. On the inside cover, I have created this belly band section over here for the larger photos that you might have in a wedding. So this has a pocket on the front. To make this more like a wedding, I did add in some different stickers and things that I had in my stash that you can also pick up at some of the bigger craft stores and use a coupon for that. More Prima flowers and some of the seam binding ribbon and a tag. I tied bits of lace around them. And inside the pockets I have added extra photo mats because on some of my pages I did not put down the photo mats because it's going to depend on the recipient's actual photos where they want to put all the different photo mats. Now these are 3.5 by 3.5, which are great for 3 by 3 photos. Did put 3 here. And this opens up this way, so you've got a place for photos here. You could put one here, though you'd have to cover up this real pretty metallic treatment here in the paper. Photos down here at the bottom on this flap. And this waterfall, these are all for vertical, so you could trim your photos to fit however you need them. But this is actually 7.5 by 5.5, which is great for 5 by 7 photos. I patterned the front flap. The rest are just done with the strips of the pattern paper, so that you can use the white cardstock for your photos, for the wedding photos. There are 12 flaps in here, so that's, if you did 5 by 7s, that would be 24 photos just on that one flap there. So let's slide this over to page 1. I fixed a place for a 5 by 7 photo. I was going to do an 8 by 10, but didn't want to cover up the pretty metallic rose gold color in the pattern paper here. And this is another sticker. And then you open this up, and on the center we have a flip up for photos. And again, 3 more of the 3.5 by 3.5 for 3 by 3 photos here. And then on the back side of this flap, we have a pocket with an extra fold-out booklet for photos, and then a big mat for an 8 by 10 here. It just closes shut like that. And then we flip. Now each one of this, there's 4 page sets in this album. Each one does have a pull-out where you could put more photos on the front and the back. It just has patterned paper here on the tab, so that it just leaves it plain white for photos. This next back side of the page set 1, I have an acetate pocket. You can get this acetate dotted clear acetate from Country Craft Creations. I created an accordion pocket here for this booklet here. Now I'm calling this a photo folio. I'm not going to go ahead and highlight this in this video because this is my project number 2. The wedding album is my main project, project 1, that I created with my designer kit for my January projects. So this, I will show you more of this in just a bit in a different video with a tutorial, separate tutorial for that. So that just slides right in that pocket. So I added a lot of the different elements that come with, you can order with that collection. This page has a double, what I call a double belly band. All of these photo mats are loose so that they're available to glue wherever, placed down wherever the bride and groom would like to put photos. Up here in this top pocket, we have a large photo folder. This has, it's open here where you can slide pictures in there, extra things, maybe programs, whatever you might have that you want to keepsake for the wedding. And we turn this over. This is a flap one. This has a sticker treatment frame cut out of some of the cards that come with the collection. And again, this is a tuck spot here across both of these pages. So you can just slide in different cards, and I put extra photo mats, 8x10, 5x7, 3x5, just different sizes of photo mats that can be either photos added and kept loose or actually glued down into the album, because when you open this one up, I left these plain, so these are available for the couple to put the pictures in the way they want to. So this side has the same thing here with extra journaling card, different photo mats, all tucked into that. And then this opens up with 2 more plain pages that can be used for photos. So we flip it over. This one has the same kind of treatment again. It has the double belly bands where, if you see, some are in the back of it, some are in the front, to just hold all the extra photo mats, and another photo folder here for any placement of photos that they want. So that just slides right in there. And then the last page, set 4, has pockets here. I did mount the photo mats here on this so that they know that they can put them there. They could also do them here. Inside the pocket, I've added these little folding photo mats with tags. Both, one goes one way and one goes the other. This would be your vertical, or you could just turn it whichever way you want. And this is held closed. These are doors with this ribbon, but I also have a magnetic piece here, decorative piece that just lifts off. And then you untie and open up. And here is 2 places for more photos here. Also here, I added this little short belly band type pocket. It's a pocket for all the extra photos or photo mats here. They can choose to take them out and mat them wherever they want in this part of the book or anywhere in the book. So that just ties shut like that with a real pretty light pink cord, satin type cord. And I did use eyelets to reinforce the holes for this. And this will have a magnet on each side on the back here and underneath the paper to hold that piece down. I was going to use that just as the closure, but decided it might not be strong enough, and also when you flip the book it would pop off. Now this page here is another flap. It's held closed by this pretty lace bow that you just untie. I went ahead and matted the photo mats here. This one lifts up, so you could put a photo here, another photo here. This is like a belly band here on this printed paper pocket to just hold that in place. This one flips open, and I left these 2 blank as well for all the photo mats that they want to add into the book. And on the inside cover, again, the same as on the front, I have the 3.5 by 3.5 photo mats here. We have the pocket with the tag and all the extra photo mats here. Let's see, I'm missing a little cut apart here that I had inside here, maybe inside my pocket. I'll have to find it. So this is a pocket. This lifts up, and again, photos can go on the flaps. The top flap. Let me pull this down so you can see it. There we go. And of course, again, 5x7 waterfalls here in this. And that is my wedding album. the showcase for the album. It's a really big album. It's really pretty sitting on the shelf with all the treatment here on the spine. So check back for the tutorial on how to make this 12 by 12 album. Thanks. And remember to shop at countrycraftcreations.com. I use the Artisan cardstock, which is a really good cardstock for constructing something like this. You can get your chipboard, the Prima Poetic rose papers, Prima flowers, and pretty ribbons. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.